Okay, in this video we're just going to learn how to create an advertising image. It's quite simple. If you were watching this, you likely would know how to use Fireworks or Photoshop. So simply, it's going to look something like this. Okay, so you have the front design here and the back design here, and if it's only the back, then it would just, like the rest of this part would be cut off and it would only just show the back. You want a glow around the shirts. It would be either a pale yellow glow or a white glow, whatever looks better. Then you would have a background that matches whatever the niche is. So if it was soccer, you'd have a soccer field. If it was ballet, you'd have like a ballet stadium, a ballet dance floor, something like that. And here you would have, I love my fiance, you would have something like that, or you would have the title, or you would have a limited offer little icon here. Okay, so just take your pick onto what you think would be best. So this is another example. See, I got the volleyball at the back, then I got this red border around it. Try and have borders. Borders actually work really well. So according to the theme of the color, so here red is a good color to have used, and here I didn't use anything, but I could have used like a dark purple. So try and do a border as well, and have the glow of the shirts. And yeah, so all I have to do is go back here. I would just click on the front. I would have it, if it's the hoodie is the main one, I would click and save image as, and then import it into Fireworks or Photoshop, whatever I'm using. Click here on the back and do the same thing, save the image, and then delete. Well, of course, when you, here I'll show you on when you save or copy the image. Let's see if just copying works. I'll show you on Fireworks. Well, you should know how to just, it comes up with the white background. So we'll go File, New, and make it a fairly large size, like over 1,000 pixels in width-wise at least. Okay, so just click it, and then you would use the wand tool and just delete. That's what comes up, and then make sure you delete this part as well. Here's the wand tool, and I use Fireworks. Most people use Photoshop. And then add the glow. So for Fireworks, here's the glow. Shadow and glow, then I choose the color, white, and usually 10 is good. In this case, I'd actually choose a little less. Oh, sorry, I keep it to white, and I'd choose maybe, that looks better. Okay, so this would be the front, and then, this would be the back, and it should look like something like that. I love my fiance, or the limited edition. Yeah, that's simple. And then there's another image, which is a retargeting image, and I'll give you samples in your Dropbox, and if you don't have the samples, then please ask me. But here is an example. So you would have you would have a t-shirt or a hoodie in the front, and preferably have the t-shirt in the front. Again, you're just going to go copy it from ViralStyle, from the URL that you just created, and then have the long sleeves here. You can have different various colors. You can have a gray here, and then you can have like a blue hoodie. Just make different variations, and then this one should be popped up in the front. There are a few samples that I will give you again, and then some of them you will add this click here, and some of them will have different sayings. So you would just pick what's best. But again, I think the best option is to have the shirt here in the front at least. Okay, so those are the two images that you'll be making in addition to your designs. This is called a retargeting, and the other one was going to be called a Facebook image. Okay. That's it then. Thank you.